Warm greetings, family. How are you guys? I'm well, guys. Hope you guys are doing well, guys. Okay, guys. We continuing with the Labor Relations Act because the last video we did on the Labor Relations Act, we dealt with Chapter 2 of the Labor Relations Act. So now we still continue with Chapter 2 because it's quite a long chapter. So we're carrying on there. So remember, the Chapter 2 is all about the bargaining. Talks mainly about the bargaining councils, right? So we'll get to that. But before we get to that, let me just thank you guys for subscribing to the channel and for continuing viewing the channel and viewing the videos and sharing the videos. I would encourage you guys to continue doing so they attract more and more viewers into the channels and grow the platforms, guys, and so that information reaches as many people as it can. Okay, guys, let's get to it. The Constitution of Bargaining Council. One, the Constitution of every bargaining council must at least provide for A, the appointment of representatives